Hi guys, my name is Abdurrahman and welcome to my channel AB Tech. In this video, I am going to show you how you can find your motherboard model on your Windows 10 operating system. So what you can do as you can just go on search bar and search for CMD and open the command prompt, then click. You can open the command prompt by searching bar for CMD, or you can just press the window plus R and then type AMD here also, and then click OK, and command prompt open. Okay, so I am going to just search bar and search here CMD and press enter, open command prompt, and on the command prompt you need to just give this command, just give this command and copy this command here, paste and enter this one, and under the product you will see model number this, and variant is this one, and serial is this one. So this is how you can find out your motherboard on your Windows 10 operating system. So yeah, this is, and I hope you got this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.